In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create components in Webflow. Whether you're new to Webflow or looking to streamline your design process, understanding how to use components effectively can save you a ton of time and effort. Let's say you've crafted a particular element on your website that you'll want to use repeatedly, perhaps a simple photo card with some text beside it. Instead of painstakingly recreating that card each time you need it, you can turn it into a component. This way, it becomes effortlessly reusable throughout your Webflow project. Here's how you can easily do it. Start by selecting the element group you wish to convert into a component. In our demonstration, this is the container that holds all the elements of our photo card, the image plus the text. Once you've got your container selected, you have a couple of options to create a component. You can simply right-click on the selected element group and choose Create Component from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, if you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts that speed up your workflow, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus A to achieve the same result. It's straightforward and intuitive. Once you've created your component, you'll find it neatly listed in the Components tab on the left-hand side of your Webflow interface. It's nestled there, readily accessible for whenever you need it again. This tab is your library of reusable elements, so to speak. If you're navigating by shortcuts, you can quickly jump to this tab by pressing Shift plus A. It's a great way to manage and organize your components efficiently. Now, this is where components truly shine. Whenever you need to use your photo card again, you can simply drag it from the Components tab and place it wherever needed in your project. This significantly cuts down on the repetitive task of rebuilding identical elements from scratch. But what if you need to update the component for a specific instance without affecting all instances? Easy. Just right-click on the particular instance you'd like to change and select Unlink Instance. This action breaks the component away from the main library, allowing you to make modifications without those changes rippling through every use of the component across your website. With these steps, you're now equipped to harness the power of components in Webflow, enhancing your efficiency and keeping your design consistent. That's all there is to it. As you continue to explore and build in Webflow, this new skill will prove invaluable, making your web design process smooth and seamless. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!